Hello everyone, a warm greeting to all those watching this video. Today we are going to prepare a nutrient-rich beverage.
What we are going to prepare, Ratana?
Ma, it's a millet-based beverage. Can you guess what it could be? No idea. It's okay. It's a Ragi Makhana Smoothie.
What's so special about it?
The specialty of Ragi Makhana Smoothie is that it is a protein-rich product. It's a wholesome protein-rich product made up of fruits, nuts, seeds and millet. It's vegan and gluten-free product. Come on, let's move on to the ingredients required for this recipe. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of ragi flour, diced apple, 1 cup of roasted makhana, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 4 to 5 pitted dates, 6 to 7 soaked almonds, 1.5 cup of water. In a half a cup of water, mix 2 tablespoons of ragi flour and ensure that it's lump free. Stir it continuously to ensure that there are no lumps. In a separate pan, add 1 cup of water and bring it to boil in a medium flame, after which we have to add the ragi mixture and stir it continuously. Stir it for 4 to 5 minutes till it thickens. The final look of the ragi mixture should be like this, and it's ready for blending. In a high-speed blender, add the ingredients which was mentioned before. Now this mixture is cool and we are going to add to the ingredients. If you want the drink to be so thin, you can add milk if it is needed. So this is the final look of Ragi Makhana Smoothie. Try it and enjoy it with your family. Thank you for watching this video.